I'm absolutely loving glowrecipe's Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin Serum. This game-changing product has taken my skincare routine to the next level. With its powerful blend of 81% cactus-derived mucin and bioactive peptides, my skin is now more hydrated, resilient, and visibly bouncy. As someone who's passionate about cruelty-free and sustainable living, I'm thrilled to see a product that's just as effective without harming animals. The prickly pear cactus extract is a genius alternative to traditional snail mucin, and I appreciate the brand's commitment to eco-friendly practices. This serum has been a miracle worker for my dry, acne-prone skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue behind. My skin feels smoother, more elastic, and healthier looking than ever. Plus, it's non-comedogenic and fragrance-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. I apply a few drops to my face and neck after cleansing and toning. It's become an essential step in my daily skincare routine. I love how it preps my skin for makeup and leaves a radiant glow. glowrecipe's Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin Serum is a must-have for anyone seeking intense hydration, improved skin elasticity, and a healthier skin barrier. Trust me, your skin will thank you.